If you love speed but loathe lag, then upgrading your laptop from HDD to SSD is your next move. First up, you'll need a compatible SSD and a SATA to USB cable. Got them? Great. Step 1. Connect your new SSD to your laptop using the SATA to USB cable. Step 2. Let's clone your HDD to the SSD. Download and install a disk cloning software. I recommend using Macrium Reflect or Acronis. Step 3. Open the software, select your source disk, your HDD, and the target disk, your new SSD. Hit clone. This might take a while, so grab a coffee and hang tight. Final step. Once cloning is complete, shut down your laptop, replace the HDD with your new SSD. And voila! Power up and experience the speed. Remember, always double check your connections and handle your SSD with care. Happy upgrading!